SANKO electronics laboratories came from Japan for the first time to the Bangladesh market. We are the pioneer of this kind of needle detectors, quite important devices for the textile industry. In order any metal contamination into the apparel product, majorly represented as a broken needle. Broken needle is found, for example, in Japan after delivery. It means a whole shipping bag of the whole container and make big losses to the factories. So inspection before delivery of all the products before delivery at the factory is quite important. For the long time, we have been concentrated in Japanese domestic market too much. So this is why our product is not so well known in the overseas market. In order to change this situation, we started a new partnership with this Mr. Jias of the Shansaville company in Dhaka, one of the most developing country in the textile industry. As a new innovation is that this needle detector, the latest machine, latest model of the SANKO Electronics laboratory is quite resistant against ambient electromagnetic noises, which frequently comes from the sewing machines, power supply unit, or other moving better unit like that machine over there. In the actual factories, industrial textile, this moving machine and the sewing machine is frequently next to this kind of needle detectors and cause some detection failure. So this machine is new in points that it is quite resistant to this kind of noises matters.